Hey beautiful people, in today's Excel video, we're going to talk about conditional formatting. Using conditional formatting, you can take an ordinary looking report and turn that into a sick and professional looking piece of work. So further ado, let's jump in. So looking at the screen, we all could see a standard sales report of a random company. And our first problem is out of all salespeople's data I have here, I just want to see who our top 3 people are and highlight them. Well, the quickest way to do this is select the data you want to and go to home. I'm already at home, and from there, conditional formatting, top bottom rules, then select top 10 items. Don't worry, we can change this number from 10 to 3, and you can even change the colors of it. If it's red, I'm going to change to yellow, or you could even change to green. And even that you can change the custom color, and I'm going to go with purple seems fine, and click on OK. Now you could see all the 3 peoples have been highlighted with the color I have given. So the main attractive function is that it is dynamic. So if you change values of Ajay's to a larger number, you can see it gets highlighted. So instantly someone becomes highlighted and someone gets dropped off. And I bet this dynamic feature will help you a lot of time to save your time, since you don't have to select the data again, change the formula again and all. Since I've highlighted the top 3, I want to do bottom 3 as well. So for this we are going to use the same concept. So I'm going to select the table, go to home, I'm already at home, conditional formatting, top bottom rules, from there bottom 10. As we did earlier, we're going to go with 3, and let's keep it as red itself. And now you could see our top 3 is in purple and our bottom 3 is at red. Well, this is fine, but there is a serious limitations with this one. It can only highlight the column in which the numbers are. Let's say I really want to highlight the entire row because Ajay is one of our top 3 performer. Likewise the others, Chetan and Anas. So for this, it requires a different type of condition format to be applied. But before that, let's clean up the data we have applied for the second type of rule. So for this, select the cells from home, conditional formatting, and clear rules. And clear rules from selected cells. That will remove rules and it will take your data back to the original formatting. Next up, since we want to highlight the entire row, I'll select all my data instead of just one column. And then from there, go to conditional formatting, and you could see new rules down. And on clicking on new rules, you could see a box like this. The formula for finding top 3 values is a little tricky, so we'll start slow. And now click on the 6th option, which says use a formula to determine which cells to format. I want to highlight any person who made more than 80,000 sales. So here my condition need to be based on column B since it has the amount. Let's see. So our column B has the amount. So I'm going to put equal to simple dollar, and make sure you put the capital B and row number 2 and put 2, and we need more than 80,000, so put greater than and type 80,000. So once you write the rule, you want to set the formatting which will be turned on whenever the rule is true. So we'll click on format. From here I'm choosing the red color with my font bold and black. Now press OK twice. Press on OK again, and if it's true, it will give this kind of output. So you could see anybody who had made more than 80,000 amount has been highlighted. Well, as I said earlier, this is also dynamic. So if I change this to a lower number, it is no more highlighted. And if I change a different number, let's say Peter's number is more than 80,000. Yes, it's more than 80,000, and you could see it is highlighted. Well, that's the end of today's video. Hope this tutorial helped you. If yes, like this video and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share this video to your friends. Meet you in next video. Bye.